Another example from Chapter 2, question number 4. And here, again, I would recommend StatCrunch. Though, again, Excel can easily do this. Open a StatCrunch. Stat, summary stat, columns, the debt variable, debt. I'm going to break it up by, group by the default assessment, either going to default or not going to default. So 2 subcategories. You say compute, and we have our answers. We have what is the average of companies with risk of default? Is a yes. It's this number here. What is the then without a risk of default? That's the other one. C. Use the table-based calculations equity for risk of default. We go back to here and we start again. We could have done them both simultaneously, but let's do it again. Columns. We went this time, we went equity for risk of divided by risk of default. And we just seem to really just want the mean. So the mean is, for the first number is this thing here. The second one is going to be the other no and now comes a verbal question. Does it appear to be a difference? Well, with default it's 609 million, whatever, 110 million. They're different. The equity is different. And if you look at it carefully, you'll see, yes, companies have higher debt and lower equity. I mean, that's the reason why they're deemed to have a high risk of default. And I believe that's it. All right. Like always, let me know if there's any further questions.